Hello everyone. The image I captured is a calamansi tree growing in my garden. At first glance, it appears to be an ordinary small tree, but it actually shows several mathematical properties when observed carefully. One noticeable feature is the branching pattern of the tree. The way the branches split into smaller branches is an example of fractal pattern where a similar structure repeats at different scale. The arrangement of the leaves around the branches also reflects a mathematical concept called phyllotaxis. The leaves grow in a pattern that allows each one to receive enough sunlight, showing an efficient and organized distribution. This pattern often follow spiral arrangement that can be related to mathematical sequence found in nature. The overall structure of the tree from its trunk, its smallest branches, shows symmetry and balance.